Have you ever tried making cafe-style lattes at home, only to end up with flat milk, weak foam, or a sink full of dishes afterward? Or maybe you're tired of paying coffee shop prices every morning for drinks that you could easily make yourself. If that's you, today's product is definitely worth a closer look. Right away, the ClassicFro 500 makes a good first impression. It has a clean, modern design that looks right at home beside a coffee maker without taking up too much counter space. The smart touch controls are simple and responsive, making it easy to switch between different drink modes, while the detachable base gives the frothing pitcher a cordless feel when pouring. The overall construction feels sturdy, and the removable jug is designed to make both serving and cleaning much more convenient than many traditional frothers. One feature that immediately sets this model apart is its versatility. Instead of being limited to one type of foam, it offers 4 separate functions: hot foam, cold foam, hot milk, and hot chocolate. That means you're not just buying a coffee accessory. You're getting a machine that can prepare a wide variety of drinks throughout the year. Whether it's an iced latte in the summer or a rich mug of hot chocolate during colder months, the ClassicFro 500 adapts to different routines surprisingly well. Performance is where this machine really starts to shine. Powered by a 600-watt heating system, it warms milk quickly while producing thick, creamy foam in just a short amount of time. The hot foam works especially well for cappuccinos, while the cold foam creates a smooth topping that's perfect for iced coffee drinks. The dedicated hot chocolate mode is another welcome addition because it mixes milk and chocolate more evenly than simply stirring them together by hand, creating a richer texture with very little effort. Capacity is another practical advantage. Depending on the selected mode, it can prepare enough foam for 1 or 2 specialty drinks or heat up to 500 milliliters of milk, making it useful not only for individuals, but also for couples and small families. If you're serving guests, you won't have to prepare multiple tiny batches just to make everyone's drinks. Using the machine is refreshingly simple. Fill the pitcher to the recommended level, choose your preferred mode, and let it do the work. The memory function is a thoughtful touch because it remembers the last setting you used, saving a little time if you make the same drink every morning. Small conveniences like that make everyday use feel smoother than constantly adjusting settings. Cleanup is equally straightforward. Since the frothing pitcher separates from the power base, it's much easier to rinse or place in the dishwasher than models with permanently attached electrical components. The non-stick interior also helps prevent milk residue from sticking, reducing the amount of scrubbing needed after each use. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. While the ClassicFro 500 heats and froths milk exceptionally well, it isn't a complete coffee machine, so you'll still need a separate espresso maker or coffee brewer for your drinks. It's also important to stay within the recommended fill lines, especially when making foam, since milk naturally expands during the frothing process. Overall, the Maestri House ClassicFro 500 delivers exactly what most home coffee lovers are looking for. It's fast, versatile, easy to use, simple to clean, and consistently produces rich foam that can genuinely elevate your homemade drinks. For the price, it's one of the more well-rounded milk frothers available. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget and coffee gear reviews every week. And if you're thinking about upgrading your home coffee setup, check the link in the description for the latest price before any current deals end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.